Hello everyone, in today's recipe I'm going to show you how to make carrot juice. Welcome to Olayemi cooking channel. If you're new here, you're welcome. For all the new subscribers, thanks so much for your support. I aim to give you simple recipe like this carrot juice recipe. So I'm using fresh carrots and I'm going to be cleaning up the carrots. I'm going to peel all the back, then we're going to clean up the dirt in the carrot, then we'll start proceeding to in making our carrot juice. Carrot juice is very rich in vitamin. So in this video I'm going to show you the benefits of carrot juice and what you can gain from taking a carrot juice. So I'm going to share with you some other time carrot juice recipe for weight loss. So let's start cutting our carrot into smaller size because I just need it to be smaller for it to be blended in my blender, for it to be easy for my blender to blend it. So we are going to go ahead and cut this to a smaller size, then we'll proceed in making our carrot juice. So as I said, carrot juice benefit. Carrot juice may improve your eyesight because carrot juice is rich in vitamins, is very rich in nutritional, is very carrot juice has a very high amount of vitamins, which is vitamin A, vitamin C, and as well vitamin K. So let's go ahead and make our carrot juice. I'm going to add my carrot into my blender jar. There I'm going to go ahead and add 1 cup of water. You can as well increase it. Please do not forget to leave down a comment in the comment section to encourage us, and I love seeing your comments. So I'm going to blend this until it's well smooth, and please do not forget to hit the like button on this video if you really enjoy it and you love it. Please do not forget to share this recipe with your loved ones so they can as well benefit from this carrot juice and learn the benefits of taking carrot juice. Carrot juice can as well give a shiny and glowing skin, healthy skin. So carrot juice also may improve or protect your blood sugar, control your blood sugar level. So carrot juice is very healthy and is very nutritional, and also carrot juice can give you an healthy heart. It can also protect your liver. So these are so many benefits of carrot juice when taking carrot juice. So let's proceed with our carrot juice. I'm going to go ahead and save my carrot juice. As I said, carrot juice is just a simple recipe that extracts of a whole carrot to get a perfect carrot juice recipe. So carrot juice is also low in calories, so I'm going to extract the carrot to get that perfect carrot juice. This is a simple carrot juice recipe. You don't really need to add sweetening, you don't need to add sugar, you don't need to add honey, but if you prefer a sweetener, you can as well use honey, natural honey, or a sugar to sweet your taste. But this orange juice, this carrot juice is very tasty and it's very nutritional. So you don't really need, it's better you take it naturally. That is for my option. I love taking my juice or my smoothie very natural taste. I don't like adding sugar or sweetening to it. So I'm going to add ice cube to my glass cup to serve my carrot juice. So this is a refreshing carrot juice and it has so many benefits that you're going to enjoy and that your skin or your body is going to enjoy and going to benefit your body. So as I said, it's a perfect carrot juice. So I'm going to serve it. You can as well put your carrot juice in the refrigerator for 1 hour or 2 hours to enjoy that richness of carrot juice. It's a healthy carrot juice recipe which is very easy to make at home. Is a perfect homemade carrot juice and it's very simple with just few ingredients to make your homemade carrot juice. So this is our outcome of our carrot juice. Thanks so much for watching my carrot juice recipe. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell to get updates of my new recipe. And please remember to share this recipe with your loved ones. Drop all those nice and lovely comments in the comment section. I love to see your comments, and Please do not forget to follow our Facebook page as well, and if you are watching this on Facebook, please do not forget to follow our YouTube channel and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching this carrot juice recipe. Please be safe out there. I guess I will see you all in my next recipe. Bye bye.